This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making braised chicken with chestnuts. We'll start by chopping up the aromatics. That's 5 garlic, 1 medium onion, 8 slices of ginger, separate the white and the green parts of the spring onions. These are dried chestnuts that I have soaked for 2 hours. You can also soak these overnight. You can do the same for the mushrooms. I have soaked these dried mushrooms for 2 hours, but you can also soak them overnight. Do not discard the mushroom water as we will be using it later. Remove the stems of the mushrooms. This is usually the hard part that's difficult to soften by soaking. I am using chicken thighs here, but you can use any part of the chicken you want, including the whole chicken. In a pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the roughly chopped up garlic, onions, ginger, and the white parts of the spring onion till they are fragrant. Add in the chestnuts, and the mushrooms, including the soaking water. Add in enough water to almost cover the ingredients. Then, season it with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. I forgot to add 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, so please add that here as well. Bring this to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add in the chicken. If necessary, add in more water till it almost covers all the ingredients. Bring this to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Simmer this for 30 minutes or till the gravy has reduced by half and the gravy is slightly thickened. Remember to check the water level occasionally to make sure that it does not dry out. When it's done, taste and adjust for seasoning. Turn off the heat and add in the green parts of the spring onion. This is braised chicken with chestnuts.